we're gonna go and get some vodka. It's Saturday 9 a.m. and I'm taking my husband with me to the shop so we can buy vodka. And there's a reason for this vodka. It is for the fabric. But it's a glorious day and the project continues. Hello my gherkins, how you doing? Welcome to another video on my channel. I always find these intros so awkward because it's literally just me talking in front of a camera hoping people will watch this video. Here's the deal. Last week I posted a video about how I was gonna make a quilted jacket, and this video is gonna be part 2 of that new series. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm having a go, and that's kind of the beauty of sewing. So in my last video I bought fabric, I did some research, chose a pattern, and in today's video we are progressing because it's important to make progress in life. Do you know what I mean? If you stagnate, you stink, is what I say. Aren't you glad you're watching this video? Anyway, so I thought we would just do a little bit of unboxing, you know, like a proper YouTuber. So let's just see what this fabric looks like. That's the plan. This is my bump, by the way. I'm feeling very pregnant these days. Hopefully I will not reveal my address for any stalkers. I don't have any stalkers. I just have this weird person who keeps asking me to sew barefoot and that is kind of creepy. Thanks for your order. I've put a couple of extras in. Oh my gosh, honestly, that's the beauty of ordering from small businesses. Let's see, beautiful packaging. There's a purple color here, very beautiful. And I think these are the extras. They're so beautiful. Thank you so much. And then this is the other package that I've bought. This feels so nice. I love fabric buying, not gonna lie. It's beautiful to spend your cash on something so beautiful. This speaks to my heart. This is the color of coffee. This is the color of toffee. This is the color of a nice biscuit, and this is the color of a good strawberry milkshake. And next package, here we go. Happy Christmas to me. Do you know what I mean? Oh, I love this so much, and this as well. Oh, and this is a piggy one. Yeah, I am digging the piggy one. Listen, don't do drugs, just buy pig themed fabric. It will bring you another level of joy. I love this so much. Amazon for my fabric clipper. Woo. I feel like my husband is gonna watch this video and he's gonna be like, there's a better, easier way of opening that package. But I don't go with the easier way. I just go with what's right in my heart. This is the set of fabric. It feels amazingly soft. That is quality. And look at this sandy, beautiful color. By the way, my nickname growing up was Sandy, so. Because there was a cartoon called Sandy Bell. And my family thought I looked very much like the cartoon character. So ever since I was like maybe 1 or 2 or 3, I've been called Sandy. And all my family knows me by Sandy. Anyways, this is gorgeous. I am really chuffed with this. Oh, there's more. Amazon. The metal poppers, the little rotary cutter. Oh no! Oh, Amazon. I ordered like a square template and they haven't delivered that, so. But this is the really nice cotton batting. I somehow expect this to smell of sheep. I really don't know why, but that's what I'm expecting it to smell like. Let's see if I'm right, okay? Let's do a sniff test. No, it doesn't. Kind of smells like coffee. Anyway, so that's like our haul. The first thing I want want to do is take all of this fabric here and give it a good wash. Apparently there's an argument in the quilting community on whether you want to wash your fabric or you don't want to wash your fabric, but there's two things I want to wash my fabric for. First of all, hygiene. I don't know where this fabric's been. Second of all, if this fabric is about to shrink, it better shrink now rather than it shrinks when I have worked so hard on it. Just gonna shove them in the washing machine and then we're gonna be moving on. Still not over this piggy one. Okay, stop getting distracted. Let's get all of this fabric into the washing machine. Oh, look how beautiful this is with the little bees. I think that's so beautiful. It gives me a bit of a vintagey vibe. Oh, that's cute as well. I like that. That's also lovely. This reminds me of a shirt my dad used to wear. I'm quite happy because I've got a few patterns and then I've got solids to work with. Let's put some stuff in the wash. Of course I forgot to put this guy in. It was under a box, so what am I gonna do with you, friend? I take back what I said about Amazon. My ruler thing was here. We're all good. I just need to learn to look more carefully, but we're good. It's here. When I was thinking about this video, I was like, should I speed things up? But then I was like, no, this is part of the process. This is why people take weeks and months to make something like a quilt. I think we just gotta showcase the time it takes to make something handmade. So, you know, part of making a quilted jacket is washing loads and loads of tiny fabric and then drying it. It smells nice though. I have to say, all these fat quarters are different sizes. Like, look at this, right? And then look at this. Something's obviously not right here. Not cool, man. If you say it's a fat quarter, make it fat. I am really happy with the color palette I chose. I'm already looking at these colors and thinking, I am at peace, my soul is content, and I am living a really good life. I feel like Kanye West would approve of my color palette. It is very easy. Okay, so now that the fabric is drying, all nice and beautiful, I think the next thing for me to do is pre-shrink my batting. Thankfully, this has come with some very handy instructions. So it says put in water and then spin and dry in like a drying cycle. Alright, so I'm gonna go with a rinse cycle and then a dry cycle. The batting is now dry. I have no idea what I'm doing. I feel like I need to regularly mention this. Hope I didn't ruin it. I did follow the instructions. There's a massive hole here. Guys, there's like so many holes. Look, there's still holes. What the heck? Wow, it's like a pair of massive underwear. I really don't know what happened. I am confusion. Please comment down below your thoughts. Try quilting, they said. It will be fun, they said. I don't know what happened there, honestly. I really don't know. I'll have to research it. But the fabric is dry and we're progressing to pressing the fabric. From my research, people choose to press the fabric with some sort of like spray. I've looked at two methods. One is making a spray with vodka, and then number two is making a spray with cornstarch. And I want to test both and see which one gives me the good vibes. Okay, so for the cornstarch, they say a little teaspoon of cornstarch, like so, and then mix it with a little bit of water to create a bit of a paste. And then this gets mixed with a cup of boiling water and then a cup of cool water, and that's your spray. Starch mixture, water, cool water, mix, 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 and like so. And then we've got a little spray bottle. Now we are moving on to the vodka. You need 1 part vodka and then 2 parts water. I have never drunk vodka. Smells a little like nail polish remover, not gonna lie. 1 part vodka, 2 parts water, and that's it. So let us go and test some spray. What are you doing with your life, Alexandra? I am testing spray these days. So the purple is the cornstarch. This is the vodka. Okay, so let's see. Oh! Okay, so I think I already have a winner because the cornstarch area is already stuck to my iron and has caused some funky lines over the fabric. Whereas look at how neat the vodka is. Alright, so the vodka is the winner. I'm really glad I tested this out. I guess it is time to iron a lot of fat quarters. You can definitely feel the fabric getting stiffer, which I really like. Okay, so that was number 1. There is a lot of fabric to iron. You know what's funny about this project is when I was 18, I decided that I wanted to come to the UK and study at a university, but I needed cash. So my sister, who lives in the Netherlands, suggested that I come over and that she would find me a little job as like a nanny. I was like, okay, sure. I get to the Netherlands and the family just kind of changed their mind, and all of a sudden I was in the Netherlands with no job. So this lady from my sister's church had like a quilting shop, and she's like, I need someone to come in and just help me with day-to-day stuff. And I worked for a whole summer in a quilting shop, and at that time I was not interested in quilting, I was not interested in fabric, I was not interested in sewing. I was just there to do a job and make some money so I could come to university. And it hit me the other day. I was like, I am quilting. Me, Alexandra Burnett, is quilting when she worked in a quilting shop and she just didn't care for it. Life is weird, man. Never say never. I am very grateful for that job though, because that job helped me come to the UK, and had I not come to the UK, I would have never met my husband, and I would have never, I don't think I would have been where I am today. So, you know, it wasn't the most exciting job, let me tell you that. It got me to where I am today. And so if you are in a job that isn't the most exciting, just know that everything is seasonal, nothing lasts forever. So if you're there to make some cash so you can start your business, so you can go to school, so you can buy stuff and pay for your food, you'll look back at that job in a few years and be like, hey, it wasn't the most exciting job, it wasn't the greatest thing I ever did with my time, but it got me to where I am today. I feel like I'm getting really deep, so I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna continue to iron because there's a lot of ironing to do. I might also squat and strengthen my pelvic floor, because this pelvic floor is about to be traumatized in a few weeks and I'm not excited about that. Okay, see you when the fabric has been ironed. Okay, doggy karaoke. I've ironed all of my fabric and I think that took about like an hour. I was planning to also cut the fabric in this video, but my body's like, you are a pregnant lady who needs to rest. So I'm like, okay, body, I'm gonna listen to you. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and just hanging out with me on this channel. The next video will be me testing out the pattern I have chosen, because I want to test it and make sure I'm happy with it before I commit to it. So I will see you in the next video, and thank you for being here and just being amazing pickles. And I don't know what else to say, so I'm gonna say bye bye. Bye, have a lovely day. Thanks for watching.